Hi everyone. Today I have the first of 3 QuadraFire pellet stove controllers that Mark sent me for repairs. This one had a problem with the filter capacitor being bad, along with the igniter relay being open or not functional at all. So I went ahead and made those repairs, and now it's time to do final testing. I will add a couple notes here that I've put a piece of tape on this controller indicating that the green light, which is actually on the side here, hardly visible by the way, they're all like that, will come on at about 275 degrees F, and the red light will come on at about 1275 degrees F. When the red light comes on, that should force the igniter to go off, and we'll see that happen. I also have a note in black, which is the igniter. I put a check mark there because I've tested it for the 11 or 12 minute shut-off cycle, and sure enough that functioned correctly. We're not going to demonstrate that in this video because the video is only about 3 minutes long. So I'll go ahead and turn on the power to the tester here, and when I do that we'll see that I'll be calling for heat because my green light will come on, and the 3 lights, the igniter simulator, the combustion fan simulator, and the auger motor simulator will all come on, and I'll be able to do some control work to turn them off at specified times. So let's go ahead and turn things on here, and there's my 3 lights. The convection room fan simulator on these models of controllers do not come on, simply because that's a function of the stove itself, not the controller. So I'll go ahead and also turn on my temperature simulator, and it's sitting at about 73 degrees Fahrenheit right now. And let's turn these boxes around so that we can see the lights, which are quite deeply hidden by the way. And I'll go ahead and line myself up and ramp up the temperature a little bit, and we should see the green light here come on when we reach about 275. There it is. So turning it down, turning it back up. So that's functioning correctly, and actually nothing happens in the back. The lights status don't change. After 2 minutes though, the auger will go off, so we'll see that happen pretty soon as time elapses. But I've got the green light on. I'm going to continue ramping up my temperature to a little over 1275 degrees Fahrenheit, and we'll see the red light come on. When that does happen though, that will turn off for sure the igniter. So let's go ahead and do that. I'm about to reach temperature here. There it is. The red light came on, and at the same time the light went off. So as I turn it up and down, the light goes off. So let's just wait a little bit more here for the auger light to go off after its 2.5 minute initial startup time, and that'll call this controller good. Just waiting on time to pass. I'm going to stand up once again. Here we are. And there it is. The light just went off. So that's functioning correctly. Mark, thank you for sending me this first of your 3 controllers. I appreciate it very much. Have a good night, everyone.